To have a successful business, you have to have systems in place. It's hard to take advice from somebody that hasn't done what you're looking to do. So I think that piece is invaluable. I don't know that I'd be as satisfied if it wasn't. I'm Ronnie King. I'm from San Diego, California, and I am a car fanatic, and I just wanted to learn how to detail cars top-notch. So I wanted to start a business doing this maybe a year ago and started doing a bunch of research. Went into Google, and you guys were the first hit that I saw, and started looking into courses, saw the skids, and it just caught our attention, and so we booked the course. For me, just excited to know what I was actually doing, so just hearing it and having the confidence to do it right. So the biggest thing is, I think, to have a successful business, you have to have systems in place. And as silly as even the colored rags are in the caddies, just systems make success. And so that was probably the biggest thing. Right? The biggest eye-opener, to be honest. Just a little bit of product goes a long way. And I've always used a ton of product, and I think that killed the job for me personally. The verbiage just gives you confidence and makes you sound good to clients, so for sure. A little bit nerve-wracking at first, but once you saw I think just doing the due diligence, right? Seeing how deep the paint is, what the color is, that stuff just makes a big difference. I think for me, just the confidence to, pick and choose the right cars to do. Obviously, if you paint meter it and the paint's bad, you wouldn't do it, but without that tool, how would you know? So I think for me, it's just the confidence that when you do it, you just can't mess it up. Or you could, but if you do it right, you're not going to. It was interesting. I thought that the first coat looked pretty good. The second coat popped. And I was definitely surprised by that. I saw a big difference in the first coat, but the second coat really stood out. So just watching everybody, I'm observant, so just seeing different techniques that people do definitely makes a big difference. It's hard to take advice from somebody that hasn't done what you're looking to do. So I think that piece is invaluable. I don't know that I'd be as satisfied if it wasn't. We're gonna do 2 weeks of just kind of like friends and family details, just to dial in hone in some skills. And we should hit the ground running in about 2 weeks. So Ronnie King, San Diego. We're gonna be Meticulous Motorsports out of Fallbrook, California. And just show up and do the work, make it happen.